Alright, we're on. Okay, this is from your other Kentucky family. Yeah, this is from the Honeycutt family. I guess Honeycutt Williams. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff. Ooh, it's... Oh, it's so soft. It's very cute froggy outfit. Yeah, turn me around. Aww, two frogs playing as cute as can be. Okay, next one. I think that's actually one. To Madeline. To Madeline. They wrapped everything in tissue paper. Your Aunt Katie and Aunt Julie, I tell you what, they're wrappers. Oh, how cute is the little hoodie. That's adorable. Oh, and little lacy tights. You might wear this today. Oh, that's very cute. Okay, last one. That's teeny tiny. Oh, babies. You see babies? Oh, they're soft babies just for you, yeah? I think that's me. All we needed was yours. Yeah, you see those babies? Aww. Say thanks, Kentucky family. Thanks. We love you. Yay. Yeah? Yeah? That's good stuff. Oh, okay. Are we out? I need scissors to cut them out.